12th math student, today I am going to start your next chapter number 9, differential equation. So first you have to know about differential. What is the differential equation? A differential equation involving derivative of the dependent variable with respect to any one independent variable is called an arbitrary differential equation. For example, x dy by dx plus y 0 or 2 times d2y by dx2 plus dy by dx whole square is 0 means contain dy by dx term. Here y is equal to fx is an curve when you differentiate it. Here x is a independent variable and y is dependent variable in dy by dx. So y means derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. So simply you can say that if equation contains dy by dx terms known as differential equation. Okay. Now, in given differential equation you have to know about the order and degree. So what is order? Order of the differential equation is defined as the order of the highest order derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable involved in the given differential equation. Again listen, order of the differential equation is defined as the order of the highest order derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable. For example, in x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0, here order is 1, means equation has been differentiated one times. In next d2y by dx2 plus y is equal to 0, d2 means second order, means here equation differentiated two times, d2y means second order derivative. In next d3y by dx3 plus x square d2y by dx2 whole cube is equal to 0. So maximum order derivative term is d3y by dx3. So you can say here order is 3. Okay. Now main thing is how to find the degree. So listen here, when you find the degree of differential equation, your differential equation should be polynomial in a derivative. Derivative means if it is a order of 1 dy by dx, order of 2 d2y by dx, 2 order of 3 d3y by dx3 and so on, means it should be polynomial in derivative terms. In other words, you can say that power of the derivative term should be positive and integer. Power of the derivative means dy by dx power should be positive, d2y by dx2 power should be positive, d3y by dx3 power should, means power of the derivative term of any order should be positive and integer. Now, in differential equation, derivative term should not be in radical sign, remember here, or fractional form. Radical means derivative term should not be in radical means root form, like root of dy by dx plus any constant you can write here. If it involves root, then solving it and removing root. Also not in fractional form, means your derivative term should not be in denominator like 1 upon dy by dx. Okay. So here you will write in simple form, general form, and see the power of the derivative term. Power should be positive integer if it is polynomial. Note, differential equation contain, you will remember here, if any differential equation contain like sine of dy by dx or log of dy by dx or e raised to the power dy by dx, then its degree will not be defined. Remember this point. Okay, for example, dy by dx plus sine of dy by dx. Order you can write. How many times given equation has been differentiated? So dy by dx means order is 1. But when you find the degree, see the derivative term. Derivative term should be polynomial and should not contain sine of dy by dx, log of dy by dx, e power dy by dx. Here in the example, dy by dx plus sine of dy by dx 0 to sine of dy by dx 0 means equation contains sine of dy by dx. So degree is not defined and order is 1. In next example, d3 by dx 3 means third order derivative plus 2 times d2y by dx to whole cube minus dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. So when you find the degree, see the power of the maximum derivative term. Maximum order derivative term is here d3y by dx3, not d2y by dx2. Means first term d3y by dx3 is maximum order derivative term, and see its power. Its power is here 1. Here you can see power of this maximum derivative term is 1. So degree in this degree is 1 and order is 3. Why? Because the differential equation differentiated 3 times. Okay. Now in next example, d4 by dx4 plus sine of y triple dash. Y triple dash means d3y by dx3. Means it is third order derivative term. Y dash first order, y double dash second order, y triple dash third order. So here this equation contains sine of y triple dash means d3y by dx3. So containing sine of derivative term. So here degree is not defined and order maximum derivative term is 4. In this way you can find the order and degree. Okay.